Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically kind of search for emotes before purchasing it on catalog avatar, like how you can try it on. Go to emotes and select the emotes that you want to try and just press the try button. Why is it not working? Hold on. There we go. Stop. Just select try and you'll be able to see the pose before buying it. I've always wanted the hot to go one, but it is a lot for here. I'm just going to try to type hot to go. Wait, is it separate? I don't remember. There we go. Just select it and then press try. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Anyways, that is how you can try emotes before purchasing them on Roblox on catalog avatar. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.